Hello future auditors, hope you all are doing really well. After the successful completion of our December 2025 batch, I have been receiving continuous inquiries for my March 2026 batch details, and therefore I am creating this video to explain in detail for my AA batch details. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce myself. My friends, I am CA Supreet Agrawal. I am an ACCA India, ex-KPMG Bahrain and an India Book of Records holder. And my friends, I am your faculty for ACCA AA, Law and AAA papers. Okay. Now my friends, when we completed our December 2025 batch, we got amazing results. We got amazing response from the students. And in March 2026 attempt, we are further improving our batch details and we are introducing certain new things that are going to 100% help you again. Okay. So my friends, let me explain all the details to you one by one. Okay. So when I talk about the AA batch, we have divided our batch into two parts. Okay. First one is the concept lecture. Okay, these lectures would be delivered to you in the recorded mode and the language is going to be English. So is English language perfect for us? Yes, my friends. See what happens is, whenever we discuss about the concepts of audit and assurance, it would be much better for you if you understand it in the English language, because ultimately there you have to write in the English language only, and in case of audit, the words are the keywords that you need to write. Okay, so you need to understand that it would be easier for you if you understand it in English language, if you practice it in English language, and then you ultimately write it in English language only. Okay, and my friends, this time we are also going to include IFRS brush up lectures for you. Now why is this important? See, what happens is, whenever you answer for any of the questions in AA paper, that question might have some reference to your FR paper, to your FA paper as well, and therefore you need knowledge of IFRS. But it is not important that you remember everything, right? So that is why we are including IFRS brush up lectures for all the important IFRS, so that you can recall it during the examination also, and we are going to give it as a complimentary thing. Okay, we are not going to charge anything extra for that. Now my friends, let's talk about the second part, which is the question practice sessions. When I talk about the question practice sessions, what is more important over here is that the question practice should be done in the live mode, right? So that is why we will be doing it in the live mode. Language would be English. Okay, when are we going to do it? We are going to do it every Monday and Wednesday. We are going to do it every Monday and Wednesday. The time is going to be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Okay, and we are going to solve both MCQs and descriptive questions. Okay, so these questions are going to be from BPP, Kaplan, ACCA study about all. So it is going to be from all sources. Okay, also you will get to know about what type of question bank I am going to offer just after this. Okay, but let me first explain you about the doubt and query system. Okay, so what would be the query and doubt support that would be provided to you? So you can ask your queries during the live sessions when we will be practicing. Okay, or you can also communicate all of your queries on our app. Okay, if required, I would also be happy to give you my WhatsApp number. You can contact me over there and discuss your queries. Okay, now mock test. When I talk about the mock test, my dear students, please try to understand that first thing that you need to understand is that mock tests are very important for all of you. Okay, and therefore we are going to conduct total 6 mock tests. Okay, so 4 tests would be unit test, that would be divided for the syllabus. So say the total number of chapters are say 16, so for 4 chapters we will be conducting 1 test. Okay, that would be block wise. Okay, this would be conducted every alternate Saturday with evaluation, and 2 full syllabus tests at the end with evaluation again. Okay, so total 6 tests would be conducted. It would be evaluated personally by me, so you can contact me directly for this. Okay, now what I am going to offer you other than lectures. So my friends, this time we have made a significant improvement, and what I am going to offer you is, I am going to offer you hard copy of AA handwritten summary notes. So is the summary notes going to be in similar format like you have written over here? Yes. See my friends, if you get the summary notes for AA subject in this manner, then definitely you are going to revise it very soon, and you can be able to solve the answers very quickly, right? So that is why I have introduced hard copy of AA summary notes, so that you can revise very quickly. Okay, then hard copy of AA question bank, MCQs and descriptive. Okay, so I am going to offer you AA question bank as well. This question bank will include MCQ questions as well as descriptive questions, and that would be delivered by our team to you. Okay, are these going to be BPP, Kaplan study app? These are going to be the mix of all questions. Okay, now board notes. So board notes are helpful? Yes, my friends, board notes are very helpful, because what happens is when I explain any concept, I take a lot of what if scenarios, right? What if this happens, what if that happens, and I write it during the class. So I would be happy to deliver you the board notes as well for the question practice sessions as well. Okay, now the most important part, what is the duration? Okay, so the duration is, start date would be 14th of December 2025. Okay, 14th of December 2025, just after few days. Okay, end date would be mid of February 2026. Okay, we will try to close it in the first week of February so that you can get more time for the practice part. But when I'm saying mid of February 2026, this would be along with all the revisions and all the mock tests as well. Okay, then duration is going to be approximately 75 hours, including both. Okay, including the concept lectures as well as the practice sessions. Okay, the validity that would be provided to you for the lectures would be 3 months. Also, extension of 3 months is available on request. Okay, so these are going to be my AA batch details. But my friends, I would like to ask you one thing over here. Do you think that audit is a theoretical subject? My friends, let me tell you that audit is a very practical subject, and I have a very good statement over here, which is audit is the most practical subject written in the most theoretical manner. I'll repeat, audit is the most practical subject written in the most theoretical manner. And if you remember this thing, then you will be able to understand everything, because I'm going to teach you everything so practically that you are going to understand everything and you will be thinking like an auditor. And I hope that at the end of every lecture you will be able to say, got it for audit. Thank you so much. Now, if you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on the given number. Okay, I have mentioned everything in the description box. If you want to see the demo lectures, please feel free to reach out to our team. Our team will be happy to share you the demo lectures and communicate all the details. Okay, so thank you so much, my dear friends.